Hello everybody, I hope you guys are doing fine. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing my followers request, which is to model this computer character named Twoee. So it looks like this, which it has its keyboard like this. And also in my last video I modeled the Maccy too, which was his request too, which you guys can watch. It. So they both look like this. This is Maccy and this is Twoee. And also, if you guys have any requests too, you guys can write it in the comments for me to model it in the next video. So before we start the video, please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel. So let's get started. And there you have it. The TWOE is now completely done. So, as I said, if you guys have any request, you guys are completely free to tell me in the comments. And as you guys can see, I will 100% make them like this, like over here. The TWOE and Maccy, we did them as my friend requested it. So I hope this tutorial was very helpful, and I hope you guys had so much fun. So make sure to hit that subscribe button and like my video. See you guys in the next video. Bye.